Do you remember your dreams? What would life be like if we couldn't dream? In a universe with an abundance of possibilities, what's holding you back? Sometimes I don't want to wake up. Wake up.
Mag-relax ka lang muna.
Wow.
Ngayon, buti mo na kaya mo para ma-enjoy mo yung buhay ngayon. Yes. At pag wala ka ng pera, magtinda ka. Magtinda ka.
Guys, ganyan po siya ka-sexy dati. Pero ngayon po, ayan ako siya. Ayan, double size na siya.
Kaibigan mo lang. Magkakaibigan.
Wake up. Abundance of possibilities. What's holding you back?
Your life being for good, hindi yan ibig sabihin na sarado na ang communication.
Yes.
Still strong.
Yeah.
Diba? Still strong pa rin ang network in terms of connection.
Yeah.
And all the best. Pangyaw.
Palaging taking care of your health lang, nanay.
Do you remember your dreams?